Hello, welcome back to CapSim CapStone 2017, the new strategy. This video explain the decision for round 7. From round 6, the company is leading the game right now, and round 7 we have 6 products in 3 segments. We are going to quit 2 segments after an escape from performance and size. And this round we update traditional and high-end to the same performance and size, close to the ideal spot 9.6 and 10.2 for traditional, and 15.2 and 15.2 and 4.8 for high-end in the high-end segment. We have to make decision about two low-end products of 4.5 and 15.5. So we have two different strategies. One strategy we will update low-end products, and the second strategy we will update low-end product. So this video explain the decision we do not update low-end products, and we will see that we have different strategy. Also, both of them are good, and we will still win the game. But that's your choice to update low-end low-tech product or not. Because we have two products in the same segment with the same specification, but they will be launched in different time of the year, so it's okay, we can still sell very well. The price for the price we reduce 50 cent 0.5 US dollars. So we maintain our price competitive at 26 for traditional, 17.5 for low end, 36 for high end product. For both the product in the same segment, we apply the same price. And we check with the market top selling product. Traditional, the price 26.50. Our product new traditional is leading the best selling. And we will also check that with the low end segment, the price 18, so we set the price 17.50, so that's the most competitive price. And also for high end product is 37, so we reduce our price to 36 is the most competitive price. Even the price not the most important thing for high-tech product, but we still maintain our most competitive price. And that's for price and INT. And now we move to calculate the demand for round 7. The demand for round 7. Actually, if you look at the promotion budget, you see that we are spending quite a lot too much for this. Is 2,900 for each product. So in fact, we can reduce this cost of advertising to 2,000. That will be still the same effectiveness of advertising, and the cost can be saved for 900. So this is a very good strategy, but we can still optimize by reduce the budget for promotion down to 2,000 for each product, and still get the same effect and save a few million of advertise promotion budget. Now we come to calculation of demand and focus production for round 7. The first product, the first traditional is not so sell well last year, so the demand for this year is only 600. But the low end is selling very well, 5,200, and the high tech product is also selling well at 1,660. 1,660. We cannot set that to 5,700 because the maximum production capacity is only 5,400 for 100% for the second shift. And also the low end product, the new low end 3,400, that's the full capacity for this low end production. And for also we add new capacity for low end, the old to no low end product, and also 900, 600 for the old one and 900 for the new low end product, increasing the capacity to 3,300 and 2,600 for low end production. And also we add 200 for traditional, for high end, old high end, and 100 for traditional. New traditional product is selling quite well. This is the reason is we upgrade the new traditional and new high end to the ideal sport, and this round 6 we update that to the old traditional and old high end to also ideal sport. So this year and next year, round 7 and round 8, both the traditional and high end product will sell well. We do human resource as regular, and this year, this round, we have so much cash that we pay off, we retire the stocks, and still keep around 25 million cash in hand to avoid emergency loans. And expectation we sell 393 and 55% of contribution margin, and the net profit we get a net profit just yep. We check the balance scorecard. We also check the balance scorecard for this round is 91.5 hour per 100, and capitalization 240 hour 240 for round 7. So we check for we wait for the result of round 7 from the system, and this is the result. We sell 322 sales because we keep quite low cash, so we have a shortage of 18 million. So next time we try to keep more cash in hand in case of lower cash in hand. We still lead the game, and with 56 million net profit and 169 cumulative net profit, much higher than all the other competitors. We check the debrief reports to see the simulation results. We get the top net profit very higher, and also market share of 22%. iOS higher than 8.8, actually a set turnover top. ROA over 7.4, ROE 13.5, the top of the game, and stock price and market capitalization 449 altogether. So we lead the game far from the second competitor. We have an emergency loan, so we have lose 1 star for that, but it's okay. And for balance scorecard, we get 92 out of expectation of 91. So the company is really leading the game very far from the other competitors. Thank you for watching. Good luck and success.